Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on Samsung S25. Let's begin. In order to fix any kind of issues with screen rotation, all you want to do is go into your control center. You can expand the panel in order to see the names of the Samsung icons, and here right at the top, at the first stop even, we have auto rotate option. With that option, it will automatically rotate if it's possible, and if we disable it, it's locked in portrait mode, as you can see. So we want to enable it in order for it to work again. However, if it's still not working, you want to basically make sure that your applications are supporting different modes, because certain applications just cannot work in landscape mode, and vice versa. Some games especially cannot work in portrait mode. So it's really important for you to just check your application and check the settings that are built inside of that application. And yet, if you're still encountering some issues, you can just do some good old restart. You can do that by pressing and holding your power button, but by default it will activate your Google Assistant. So instead you can expand the control center and click the power icon, and here you can just click restart, and everything should be restarted, including the sensors that are responsible for tilting your phone. It's called gyroscope, as a fun fact. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.